This evening, Dr. Anthony Fauci and others were pressed. Did the president tell them to slow down testing after the president suggested the slowdown during a rally? Dr. Fauci's answer, and the president today saying, "I don't kid." Here's Mary Bruce.
As President Trump left Washington to speak to thousands of supporters in Arizona, on Capitol Hill, his top health advisor told lawmakers these rallies are a mistake.
You should not congregate in crowds. You should keep distance. If you do, please wear a mask. So plan A, don't go in a crowd. Plan B, if you do, make sure you wear a mask.
But at today's Students for Trump rally, that advice went unheeded. No social distancing, and with few exceptions, no masks. The president is staking his re-election on showing that the virus is under control. But now he's on defense after saying he ordered his team to slow down testing.
When you do testing to that extent, you're going to find more people, you're going to find more cases. So I said to my people, slow the testing down, please.
His aides insisted the president was just kidding. But this morning, Trump said no, he wasn't.
I don't kid. Let me just tell you, let me make it clear. Here's what I say. Testing is a double-edged sword.
But before Congress, members of Trump's coronavirus task force contradicted him.
Has President Trump ever directed you to slow down testing for COVID-19 in the United States? Dr. Redfield?
No.
No, sir. No, Congressman.
Dr. Anthony Fauci and CDC Director Robert Redfield were blunt.
None of us have ever been told to slow down on testing. That just is a fact. In fact, we will be doing more testing.
All of us have been and continue to be committed to increasing readily, timely access to testing.
Fauci says he hasn't spoken to the president in weeks. And Trump, while focused on testing, hasn't mentioned the increasing hospitalization rates in states like Arizona. Tonight, Joe Biden seizing on the president's words, tweeting, "It's pretty simple. If we want to save people's jobs and save people's lives, we need more testing, and we need it faster."
Donald Trump has made it clear that this is all about him. It has nothing to do with anyone else. It's about him. Everything is in the context of him.
And tonight, former President Obama making his first appearance at that Biden fundraiser. More than 175,000 people signing up for that virtual event, raising more than $7.6 million. The former president slammed Trump's handling of the pandemic and these big campaign events that he's been holding, saying, unlike our current president, we recognize that we have a public health crisis going on, and it means that we have to show restraint in how we structure campaigning. David.
All right, Mary Bruce live at the White House. Mary, thank you. And one more note on the coronavirus tonight, because so many of you at home still have questions, among them what happened to hope that perhaps the summer months with the heat would help bring a slowdown. So let's bring in our chief medical editor, Dr. Jen Ashton, back with us tonight. And Jen, first off, the seriousness of this moment. I know you were listening to Dr. Fauci today saying the next few weeks are critical, and you told us that is absolutely the case.
Exactly, David. Many hospitals activating their surge capacity plans, doctors on the front lines getting concerned. And let me tell you why. We have to remember there's a lag time between exposure to this virus, when people get sick, confirmed cases, then hospitalizations and possible deaths. So the next several weeks are critical.
And Jen, you and I were talking, there's still so much we don't know about this, but many had hoped that the heat, the summer might help slow down the virus, and yet look at what we're seeing.
Exactly. This virus has proven it transmits very readily in the winter as well as the summer, with the Sunbelt temperatures in many cases exceeding 100 degrees. Certainly at this time appearing to refute that theory that the warm weather will slow this virus.
All right, Jen Ashton with us every step of the way. Thank you, Jen.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.